Welcome back to Quick Oil and Brake channel. Today I'm cleaning a oxygen sensor that's also called O2 sensor on a Honda Accord 2014, and I'll show you. It's very simple procedure to clean the oxygen sensor. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you which tool you need. You need a 22 millimeter wrench. This is upstream. It's right here, and you just have to disconnect the connector from this side. There's a tab on this side over here. You have to press this one and slide over there, and I'm gonna use my both hand. It's kind of or we can try from this side. Yeah, okay. So once this done, we have to take that out, or either you can leave it over there. Then before you remove this one, make sure the car is not hot, it's cool down, and it's easy to remove. It's not too tight, so yeah, it's not hot. So let me take out this connector from here. Okay, now it's easy to come out. So keep turning loose. Okay, yeah, it's very dirty, and I'm gonna clean it, and I'll show you how to clean.
So I'm cleaning with two things. I'm gonna use a throttle body cleaner, and also first I'm gonna use a brake cleaner to clean this one. So let's see both are things how these works. So first I'm gonna spray that. So now I'm going to use throttle body cleaner to see if clean more better or not. Okay. So I clean this one, and now we're gonna install this back. Okay. So first we're gonna install this one. Don't tie too much. It's about 20 foot-pound around, and then you have to slide this first, and then this one. Alright, so it's get done, and I hope you understand how to clean this one. If you like it, please thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.